Hello, friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Accessibility Talk. I'm Tushar Govil, and today's topic we are discussing will be accessibility overlays. And we will try to understand if they are helpful making the websites accessible. So, first, what is an accessibility overlay? It is a third party software plugin which is mostly powered by JavaScript that sits on the top of an existing website. So, some websites and on some websites, you can see a button like this. Uh, a button or icon like this, and clicking on that opens a pop-up menu with various adjustments such as font size adjustment, contrast controls, dyslexia friendly fonts, keyboard navigation helpers, text spacing controls, and AI generated accessibility fixes. Core problem is that accessibility is fundamentally about how a product is built, but not just how it looks. A true accessible website requires semantic HTML, structure, proper keyboard navigation, meaningful labels, correct focus management, accessible forms if they are there on the page, logical heading structures, screen reader compatibility, and sufficient color contrast. Most overlays cannot fully repair these underlying issues because they exist within the application's actual code and interaction patterns. For example, an overlay cannot always determine the correct purpose of an unlabeled button. It may fail to fix complex keyboard traps. In some cases, overlays can even conflict with the assistive technologies, creating additional barriers for users. So, why accessibility professionals are concerned regarding the overlays? Many accessibility experts criticize overlays because they can create a false sense of compliance. Organizations sometimes assume we installed an accessibility widget, so we are accessible now. Unfortunately, that's not the case. Real accessibility requires inclusive design practices, accessibility aware engineering, manual testing, and user testing with people with disabilities. So, in short, we can say accessibility is not a one time plugin installation, it is a continuous product quality effort. So, what can be a better approach? The most effective accessibility strategy is to build accessibility into the product from the beginning, which means designing inclusively, writing accessible code, testing with keyboard and screen readers, involving users with disabilities, and making accessibility part of engineering culture. When accessibility is integrated into development lifecycle, everyone benefits, like users, businesses, developers, product teams. True accessibility requires building a digital world where everyone can walk or roll through the front door natively. So, final thought can be accessibility overlays are not inherently bad, but they are often oversold. They may provide helpful customization features for some users, but they cannot replace genuine accessibility engineering. True accessibility comes from thoughtful design, semantic structure, proper interactions, and inclusive development practices, not from adding a floating widget at the end of a project. So we can say that the goal should never be appearing accessible, but truly making the website accessible. The goal should be building experiences that actually work for everyone. So that was a short video on accessibility overlays. Hopefully, it helps understanding them and uh, whether they are really beneficial or not. Let me know how you find this video in the comment, and also let me know which topics you want to cover in the upcoming videos. Till then, thank you for prioritizing accessibility. Goodbye and take care.